Hello, I'm Roman Movchan, and welcome to my Fabula Programming System channel. This channel is designed to help those who want to get started with Fabula Programming System or FPS. FPS is a new innovative suite of software tools designed for creating and maintaining high-quality web applications. FPS is based on using a new declarative programming language called Fabula. In this first video, I'll show you how to log into FPS and create your first Fabula project. Let's start a web browser, and in the address bar enter the address of FPS, gofabula.com, and press enter. You are redirected to the application called FPS Launchpad. Here you can see 4 tabs: Home, Community, Support, and Help. And you see a large login button. Now back to Home. This tab is empty, and it says please log in to use this feature. Because you're not logged in yet, press login. You see this login to FPS dialog where we have 5 login options. 4 of them are just names of the major login providers: Google, GitHub, Facebook, and Twitter. So if you have an account with one of them, you can just press the corresponding button. You see a window login to the provider, and you're in the system. On the home page, you see the list of your projects. Now, let's do it again. We need to log out using this drop-down menu and back to the login dialog. Here we see the 5th option. If you don't have an account with 4 providers, then you can use your email address to log in. Just type in your email address. Now you have no password yet, so you need to create it. Press or click the link create reset, and you see a message here that a temporary password was sent to your email. Now switch to your email client. You see an email here saying create reset Fabula Programming System password. In this email, you see in bold your new password. Just copy it and paste here. Press login, and you are in the system. Now, initially you won't have any projects, so it says no data to display. Now let's create our first project, which will be, of course, Hello World. Just type in the name and press enter. or click the create button, which you prefer, and the project is created. You see it in the list in green color. It's green because it's new. What it does by default, we're not interested to know, because we're going to input our own source. So you see here 4 actions: run, debug, edit, and delete. So we choose edit, click, and a new window is open, which is Fabula Project Builder. In this window you see 6 tabs: code, details, test, history, reference, and help. Switch to code. Here you see some source already, which was generated by the system automatically when we created the project. They said we're not interested in it, so let's just delete the whole text. We're going to enter some new text. For this we will use the automatic code completion feature of Fabula Project Builder. Fabula syntax is similar to XML, so you'll just start typing in, and immediately you see a prompt consisting of one option: library. It's because on the top level, library is the only choice you can make. Press enter and close the tag. Automatically you see closing tag /library appears, which saves your keystrokes. Now, by the way, here in the right bottom corner, you see a status message appears, and because we made the changes to the source, it says press Ctrl S to save, but we're not going to save yet. To see the full reference for using the keys, you can press this small info icon. It displays the key map. Here you see save is Ctrl S on PC or Command S on Mac, and other commands like find, replace, and so on. Let's close it and enter more source. To insert an empty line between those tags, we need to press Shift Enter. In this context, you have more options. It's a list of tags that can be between a library and /library. Let's say we want to input applet. Our selection has narrowed to applet. Now, this tag has some attributes, or press space and choose name. Because it's a applet which is displayed first when the application starts, its name is standard main. Again, as soon as we close the tag applet, you see a /applet pops up automatically. Now we want to insert something between opening and closing tags, so we press again Shift Enter, and now we have different selection of options, elements that can be inside an applet. Our applet will be very simple. It will just display some text. So we choose View. View describes what will be displayed as content of the applet. It's a string expression. In our case, it will be just a string literal hello world. So now we have the source of our Fabula library, and we need to press Ctrl S to save it. Now we see this prompt message here changed, and there's a new message, no errors were found, which says that our source was automatically checked for errors, syntax and semantic as well, and no errors were found, so the program makes sense. Now we need to run it. To run, we can just switch to the test tab, where you can see some controls. There's a play in embedded window button and a large icon, launch in new window. Let's try first play in embedded window. It displays a frame in which our application runs and displays the text hello world. We can also click this icon and it opens a new window or tab depending on the browser settings, and it does the same. It just displays text hello world. So that's all. Our application is working, and you can start creating your own. Good luck!